Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. If you have been experiencing freezing issues with the iMobile Bank application, don't worry, today I will show you how to fix and solve this problem quickly. First, go to your device settings and find the iMobile Bank application in the Apps or Application Manager section. Tap on it and select Clear Cache. This often resolves minor glitches and freezing issues. Next, check if there is an update available for the iMobile Bank application in your device's App Store. Outdated versions can cause performance issues, so make sure you're running the latest version. Now, if clearing the cache and updating the app didn't work, try restarting your device. This can refresh the system and help resolve any temporary software conflicts. So, as a last resort, uninstall the iMobile Bank application and reinstall it from your application store. This will give you a fresh installation that should eliminate any persistent freezing issues. And that is how you fix and solve freezing issues with the iMobile Bank application. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.